Are you looking to grow food at home but lack space or don't have soil? Have you ever been interested by hydroponic gardening? Does the premise of food security mean anything to you after we've experienced lockdowns and bare shelves? Well, I may have a solution for you. You can build your own hydroponic garden, just like this one. Available today from Greens and Machines is a technical package detailing how to construct this hydroponic garden. Now, what's so great about this garden? You can maximize your growing space. It can fit 72 vegetables in about 9 square feet. You can think of this vertical garden as a land multiplier. It does not require soil, and it is in fact a perfect fixture in a yard with just flat concrete. You grow vegetables much quicker than in soil, and the vegetables taste much fresher than that of a grocery store. Plus, this garden is as local as it can be. You can guarantee some level of food security for leafy greens. If this pandemic made you consider that, then this could be part of your solution. What you'll get by purchasing this PDF. Detailed diagrams on how to build the frame, growth channels, and nutrient solution reservoir. A guide on the best plants to grow in this garden, troubleshooting and other frequently asked questions answered. So if you're looking to start a hydroponic garden this year, check out our Etsy shop and purchase the technical package for this garden. Link is in the description below.